Hi guys, welcome. We're live. I'm Laura Madden and we are here in the ReFashioned art studio. Want to share updates, want to share a new piece that was just completed. We've got an exhibitions coming up, and fall holiday shopping stuff happening very soon. And then we've got new work. So, hey Irvin, thanks for joining. Nice to see you. All right, guys, let me know what you think of my look. New belt. This actually I found at Goodwill, one of the Goodwills in Northern Arizona. And then this fabulous, cute little party dress. It's lace, and we've got some, I don't know, foof at the bottom. It's amazing. And this was from Stepping Stone's thrift store, which is one of my favorite spots. And then I've got all my fun little, I'm just gonna call these my security blankets because I just feel like anytime I'm going anywhere, going on camera, it's like I'm armed. And it feels so good. Oh, and check out this cute, I think this is an antique. It is an ancient piece, this cute little hair clip. I gotta wear more of this hair jewelry. It's so fun. This was also from Stepping Stones. I found the most amazing antique jewelry there. Oh, hello, thanks for joining, guys. I am USA Make. Where are you located? I couldn't figure that out. Thanks for all of the enthusiasm here. Nice to see you. All right, guys, so exciting news. Well, number one, please, guys, if you're not on my email list, get on my email list. The link is in the bio. I'm going to be sharing details on a really cool art tour that I'm going to be a part of. The Camelback Studio Tour is coming up November 13th and 14th, and I'm going to be exhibiting all of my inventory will be on display. What's available for sale will be for sale. I will have special pricing, of course, for those that come in person. And if you're not local, if you're not, I'm in Phoenix. If you're not in Phoenix, that's okay. I'm also gonna do an online portion. So if anybody is interested in seeing, getting a little sneak peek of what I'm doing as part of that art tour exhibit, then I am going to extend that special pricing on those originals to anyone that joins me online. So make sure you get on my email list so you will get the link to take a look and shop if you'd like. But if you are local, I hope you will come. I hope to see you there. But guys, I'm gonna be giving the details because it's a lot. So I'm gonna be sharing the details in my email. So get on my email list. Again, link is in the bio. Just click that link. It's that very first option, and I will send you all of the details. I would love to meet you in person. I know so many of us here are Instagram friends, and it'd be nice to be real friends in real time, in real life friends. Hi, Jamila. How are you? Jamilas.w. Thank you for joining. So guys, again, November 13th and 14th, it's all day, Saturday and Sunday exhibiting. And that is the Camelback Studio Tour. This is the 13th year they've done this. So it's a really well-established art tour. So I'm really excited to be a part of it. And oh my gosh, this year is the most artists they've ever had involved. I think it's like 30 artists or something. And it's just along this Camelback mountain corridor where, we're all speckles along here, and it's really cool. One of my neighbors is also part of the tour. He's been part of the tour for many years. That's how I found out about this. He's a really well-accomplished, well-established sculptor. So if nothing else, you should come on out to see his work because it's beautiful. And we have beautiful views of Camelback Mountain too. So perfect selfieing time here. The other thing I want to share is I'm going to be part of another exhibit which starts next week. 5 of my pieces, 5 of my originals will be in the exhibit, and I'm so excited about this. One of them is right back here. This one here is called Happy Mess. It's fabulous. It's 30 inches by 40 inches, so it's a really decent size, But Happy Mess is going to be going on exhibit, yes. And then this one here, guys, one of my favorites. This is from the ReFashion Resculpt series. This is called White Out. And this one is, oh my gosh, 20 by 24 inches, 6 inches thick. So they are, the ReFashion Resculpt series is 3D, and if you're not familiar with ReFashion Resculpt, it's a series I started earlier in the year, and this is like the epitome of style and sustainability to me. I use leftover materials, and that is what you see here. This is, a lot of it's unrecyclable plastic. A lot of soft plastics are unrecyclable, which really stinks, because you can't recycle them and they just go in landfill to sit forever, basically, and they don't really ever break down, or they won't in our lifetime anyway. And so that just pains me deeply because I really care about, you know, lessening my footprint on the earth and reducing waste and conserving resources. And you know what? The landfills are filling up. So, not to be the bearer of bad news, but they are, and the time is now for us all to do something, you know, whatever we can. And so for me, I just thought, you know, I'm so passionate about creating treasures out of trash. And so this is unrecyclable plastic. And I super, super love it. So this is the newest piece, guys. This is Whiteout 2. This one is for sale, since Whiteout will be going on exhibit and will not be available for at least 5 months. So this one here, guys, is a big guy. And, ooh, I actually have to show you something. Hold on. So this one is 24 inches by 24 inches, 6 inches thick. But, hold on. It has a partner. It's not exactly a twin, but these guys are meant to be married, and I think they would be so fabulous together. So this is Blackout 2. I know it looks huge because it doesn't fit in the screen, but these actually, I'm sorry, it's so hard to see, but these actually are the same exact size. And they're made of the same exact material. So again, unrecyclable soft plastic. So instead of throwing this in the trash, because I couldn't accept that, I knew I had to find a way to repurpose it into an art piece. And everything I do is meant to be, you know, fashionable. It's meant to add a fashionable edge to your walls, to your space. So ReFashioned art is all about living a stylish lifestyle. So if you're in that category, then ReFashioned art is for you. Art for living a stylish lifestyle and creating luxury at home. And whether you're stuck at home or not, whether you're working from home or not, we all can agree we've all been spending so much more time at home, even as thankfully things are going back to normal and opened up. But still, we're spending much more time at home, and I don't know about you, but I actually have become so much more of a homebody. And so what I surround myself and what my home looks like has become like that much more important. And I've also gotten busier than ever. Somehow, I don't know how that's happening, but I need that much more recharge time, which is equating to more time at home. So again, what you surround yourself with, your surroundings, your environment, your home environment, it's becoming that much more important and impactful onto, you know, how we're feeling. So for me, surrounding myself with beautiful things, and this one is for sale too, by the way. And how fabulous would these be together? I'll have to share a pic of them on a wall together so you can get the full impact. But again, 24 inches by 24 inches, a perfect square, and they're rather thick. So 6 inches total thick, depth. Yes! Do you love it? Let me know, guys. I'm gonna hang this one back up, make sure it is in its spot. But I promise I will find a way. I'll get a photo. I'll get some nails off of my walls. Hi guys. Yep. Irvin, totally. Isn't it true? Camson, how are you, babe? Miss you too. Thank you, guys. Well, listen, any questions, feel free to DM me anytime. Of course, if you have my cell phone, then just text me because that's always the best way. But yeah, so 5 pieces. 5 pieces are going on exhibit next week, which I'm just so thrilled about. And just want to give another sneak peek, guys. A few new guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them in these frames or not, but I love, 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 love. So these are originals. Let me know what you think, guys. I know I'm always saying I'm like trying to use more color, trying to wear more color. It's not always happening. Although, guys, if you saw my post, I wore the most fabulous red dress this past weekend, and I'm bragging about it because a local designer here, she made it for me. It was bespoke, and we came up with the design together. But she is just a brilliant mind. Cece Duque. I'm going to tag her again today. I'm going to post it again today because I want everybody to know who she is. But the dress, she blew my mind. She blew my expectations with this dress, and I got to wear it to a really gorgeous event this past weekend. But it was red, so I actually did wear color. So I was proud of myself. Cece, she got me to wear color. But guys, I'm trying to use more color in my art, but here we are, back to our black and whites. But I love it. But 2 new originals. Let me know if you want them. And then, guys, I am going to show you some color. I just want to plant a little seed, guys. I'm going to be doing some promos for holiday shopping, Black Friday, of course, which I'll be doing my Black Friday promos early this year. And I did them early last year because, shipping times can be really, really unpredictable around the holidays. This year, we've been warned. It can be really, things might really be backed up. So please shop early. I hope you will shop art. This is one of my most popular prints. This is Dreaming Love. It's on my website. If you go to shop.IamLauraMadden.com and you go to shop art in the navigation bar, click on that. The drop down will give you options. You click on stylish art, and this is under the category of stylish art. I know that was a mouthful. So go to shop.IamLauraMadden.com, go to the navigation bar at the top of the screen, click on Shop Art. In that drop down, you will click on Stylish Art, and this can be found under Stylish Art. This is Dreaming Love, one of my most popular prints. So this is the acrylic, and I'm showing you this because it's one of my favorite media types. Now, all of the prints on shop.IamLauraMadden.com can be printed on 6 different media types, as well as now I have a whole range of art gifts that are available. It's like my own little museum store. But I hope you will check it out, guys, if you're looking for a really fun and unique and personable gift this year, because art is very, very personable, and it is very personal. And if you know the style of the person that you're giving to, I hope you'll pick up some art because it is an experience. It really is giving more of an experience that is going to last forever instead of something that might sit on a shelf or in a drawer to never be experienced again, other than, opening it up out of the box. But the media types, guys, all of the prints are available on photo paper, fine art paper, acrylic, which is this. Looks kind of like plexiglass, metal, canvas, and wood. This is my favorite. Any of the prints, guys, printed on an acrylic, which is this, is going to give a more modern feel. And that's why I love it so much. Like, you can see my light there. There's a nice reflective factor, as would be with any piece of glass, but it's sleek. It gives that feeling of sleek, modern, and that stylish edge. Yes, Irvin, stylish, exactly. Irvin, I will send you art to be published, 100%. All right, so this is the acrylic, guys. It's my favorite media type. But remember, we've also got, the fun gifts range from coasters, which is one of my favorite things. I've been giving a lot of coasters as gifts, and it's just really, really fun. Any of the prints can be printed on a coaster on shop.IamLauraMadden.com. We've got greeting cards, which is also one of my favorites because I'm just so old-fashioned. I do write notes. And then we've got all the mugs, tote bags. One of my newest items is yoga mats, which I hear is very popular, but that's brand new to my site. So I haven't really explored that too much, but also the calendars, guys. I did do a calendar giveaway a couple weeks ago that was really fun, and the calendars are gorgeous. They're large. They're 17.5 by 9.5 inches, so they're big. I don't have it right here with me, but they come on really sturdy, thick cardstock. So it truly is like an art piece. So I hope you'll check that out. I have 4 different calendars available. We've got black and white abstract, stylish, and empowered portraits. So some fun stuff. So hope you'll check it out. But honestly, guys, I would love if you could sign up for the email list, because that's where all of those details for my upcoming exhibits and the art tour, the Camelback studio tour that I'm going to be a part of and exhibiting here. So if you want to get those details, sign up for those emails. And I promise I won't spam you, but you will get some giveaway announcements and some promo sale announcements coming up soon, as well as all my videos go in there, which, if nothing else, they are very entertaining. All right, guys, I am going to sign up for now, but Whiteout 2, now complete, now available. Oh, I'm going to show you one more thing, actually, while we're here. Let me see if I can not screw this up. Here's another, oh, nope, that's not what I meant to do. That's what I meant. There we go. There's another new one. Love it. Love it. Ebony, what's up, girlfriend? So that's another new one. Again, like I said, trying so hard to get more color into my life. I think after this past weekend, I might have my color quota set for the year, but I'm telling you, I'm like, the black and white obsession is real. And I guess black, white, and gold, you know, fashion is art. My art is fashion. So thank you, babe. See you soon. All right, guys, I will see you later. Happy Wednesday. I know it's hump day. It feels like it should be Friday. I don't know. But whatevs, we're here, we're doing it, making the best of it. All right, guys, have an awesome day. Thank you for the enthusiasm and for hanging out with me. I'll see you later.